So hello everyone, welcome to my videos. In this video I will explain my chosen region for my final examination project, and we were asked to choose one region out of 5 regions, and I choose the Africa region for my analysis. So the first one, before we begin, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Ubaidillah, but you can call me Noir, and I'm currently a student at Mullah Roman University, Faculty of Social Science and Political Science, Department of International Relations. And for these presentations, I will discuss a case study about the Cape Town water crisis in South Africa, also known as the Day Zero crisis. And this case study is based on journals discussing the Cape Town water crisis and Day Zero in South Africa. You can find it in the journal. The journal explained how climate change, severe drought, and poor water management contributed to the crisis. So let's move on the study case. First thing first, I will explain the introductions. The introduction is Africa is one of the regions that faces many environment and social challenge. And one of the most well-known cases is water crisis in Cape Town, South Africa. The crisis gained global attention in 2018 because Cape Town was close to running out of water. The government warned citizens about Day Zero, which means the day when the city water supply will become extremely limited. The case is important because it shows how climate change, population growth, and poor resource management can create a serious crisis for society and government. So let's move the problem identifications. I will explain the problem identifications. The main problem in this case was severe drought. Cape Town experienced very low rainfall for several years, which caused the water reservoirs to decrease drastically. And another problem was the rapid population growth in the city. More people means higher water consumptions every day. In addition, there were problems in water management and public awareness. Many people still used water excessively even during the drought periods. Climate change also played an important role because rising global temperatures increased the risk of extreme weather and long dry season in Africa. So let's move on to analysis. I will explain the analysis. The Cape Town water crisis had major impact on society, economy, and government. And first, citizens had to reduce their water usage significantly. Some people were only allowed to use around 50 liters of water per day. And second, the tourism sector was affected because Cape Town is one of the most popular tourist destinations in Africa. Number 3, the government had to create strict regulations to prevent Day Zero from happening. And from this case, we can see that environment problems are not only about nature, but also connected to politics, economy, and social stability. The solution is how to solve the crisis. The solution is strict water restrictions for citizens and business. Number 2, public awareness campaign to encourage people to save water. Number 3, development of groundwater and water recycling system. As a result, water consumptions decreased significantly in Cape Town, successfully delaying Day Zero. So, for recommendations based on the case, there are several recommendations that can help prevent similar crises in the future. Recommendation is improve sustainable water management system and increase public awareness about environment conservation, and strengthen regional cooperation in dealing with climate change. So last, invest in water infrastructure and technology. Last but not least, the conclusion is the Cape Town water crisis show how environment problem can become a serious challenge for society and government. The case also reflects the importance of global cooperations in addressing climate change and environment security. The crisis in Cape Town isn't only a local problem in South Africa, but also a global warning for many countries around the world. So this is my analysis. Before I close. This is my presentation is based on a journal. Like I said before, you can find it Cape Town War Crisis and Day Zero Crisis in South Africa. And sorry before my pronunciation cannot fluent because I still learn grammar. Thank you for your attention.